Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Claude Sonnet 3.5 as a writing partner. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply open your browser. Then what you should do right now is to simply type here gertmerlin.in. Then click on enter. Then it will show you here this page. Now you will have to log in into your account. So here in my case, I will log in, and you can log in using your Google account. And now once you log in, it will show you here this page. And now what you should do is to click on this box, this text box, then click on this button, then scroll down till you find here this option, Cloudy 3.5 Sonnet. Tap on it. Then here, as you can see, will have this AI activated. Now you can simply type anything that you need for your story or for your novel. Let's say that I have a novel about a scientist who is trying to discover a cure for amputated limbs to regenerate again. Then click on enter. And now you'll have to wait till it gives you some answers. You can also ask the AI to give you specific things like the name of chapters, the scenario itself, or even some scenes and pictures that you can add to your novel if you are writing something that has pictures for children, for example. So here, as you can see, I have asked it to type the name of chapters, for example, and it will take some time. Here, as you can see, the lost patient, breaking ground, cellular memories, against protocol. Then after that, I can actually make it type the script itself. Can you type small script consisting of 3 pages for each chapter? So I will ask it, and after that, I will get the answer. Here, as you can see, chapter 1, the lost patient. Page 1, in Memorial Hospital, night the fluorescent lights flicker. Actually, it's perfect, and it can tell you exactly what you can put in every chapter. So that was a result for one chapter. You can do the same thing for each chapter, and you can also ask it to provide you with more and more details. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.